Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 23. This is Section 1.4, Problem 23. It says Judy is reading a book with a total of 238 pages. If she is on page 162 now, how many more pages does she have to read to finish the book? So this is a subtraction problem. We have a total of 238 pages in the book, and Judy's on page 162 now. So if we subtract the 162 pages that she's read so far away from the total of 238 pages altogether in the book, you'll have how many pages remain. So now I will start in the rightmost column of digits, and I have 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then I move over one column of digits to the left, and I have 3 minus 6. Now the 3 is not large enough to subtract 6 from, so I need to borrow. So I will go over one more column of digits to the left, find the number in the upper position of that column. It's a 2. I'll cross it off, and it will get reduced to a 1. And now that allows me to put a 1 in front of the 3 that I was working with in the middle column of digits, changing the 3 into a 13. So now I will subtract 13 minus 6. That gives me a 7. And then if I go over one more column of digits to the left, I have 1 minus 1, which is 0. And you don't have to write the 0 when it's in the leftmost position. So as a final answer, I get 76. So it's 76 pages in the book. So if Judy reads 76 more pages, she will have the book finished.